Tim Thomas here. In this video, we're going to be talking about a brand new postcard system that we've got our hands on. We're super excited about it. It's going to be a great program for 2025 and beyond. We're going to talk about it in this video. Let's roll the intro and I'll get back with you on the other side. Tim Thomas here. Before we get started, make sure we like the video, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to the channel so when I upload the video, you'll be the first to know. Again, tap the notification bell so when I upload a video, you will be the first to know. We're going to talk about a new postcard system called the Magic Money number. The Magic Money number. It's a postcard system, folks, that it is a done-for-you system. It's a done-for-you system, and all you do is mail out this postcard. It is an incredible postcard, and we're going to look and see how it works. We're going to call the number and show you the power of the system. It is a way that you're going to get unlimited $325 payments directly to you through and by your favorite way of getting paid. Super excited about that. So we're going to talk about the Easy Money postcard system. Well, the Magic Money postcard system. I apologize. It's not the Easy Money postcard system. It is the Magic Money number postcard. So we're excited about that. The way it works, guys, you just simply mail the postcard. It is just super simple to do. You just mail the postcard. If you can mail the postcard, the admin of the program will take all the calls, answer all the questions, and you get paid. Can you mail this postcard? If you said yes, you can make unlimited $325 payments over and over. The total cost to get started is going to be $350 to get started. $25 goes to the admin for the product fulfillment, taking all the calls. And that's what the admin receives. The other $325, the $325 out of the $350 is going to go directly to you as the sponsor. Of course, everybody's going to have to be assigned an ID number. My ID number is 1170. That's my ID number for this postcard system. And we're excited to do it. When you get started, you're going to get a welcome email. And it's going to have simple ways to promote the business. It's going to have the lead resources, simple ads you can place in home business magazines, and different ways to promote the business. It is, again, super simple. By mailing this postcard, you can pick up, several a month. You get good at it, you can probably pick up several a week. And it's going to be a hot program. It is already off to a rocket ship of a start, and we're excited about it. Let's look at how the postcard looks. Before we do that, we're going to look at some sample ads. Well, let's look at the postcard and we'll look at some sample ads. You're going to order the postcards over here at the Postal Annex. There are a lot of postcards over here that you can go through and order. Big shout out to the Office Annex, not the Postal Annex. I gotta get this video right, guys. The Office Annex. The Digital Wealth Pro postcard is there. Y'all know I like that postcard there. I like the 4th and 50, but we're gonna keep this directly on the postcard here. The Magic Money number postcard number 1. Okay, you're going to come over here, and this is what the postcard looks like, guys. A very well put together postcard. It says, discover how the Magic Money number delivers nonstop $325 payments directly to your mailbox. The recorded message is a very simple way to receive multiple $325 payments sent directly to your mailbox daily. This can happen for you on a daily basis. It is extremely simple, easy to do. If you're not a member of the Magic Money system, you want to join today. And folks, I saw this thing for a while, and I had to get involved with it. I could not be more excited. I've been in for several weeks now. Just hadn't had the opportunity to get up here and do a video and promote it, but we're wide open, getting ready to promote it. No learning curve, no computer special skills needed. This program is very realistic and it actually works. The way to get started, you follow the 2 simple steps. You're going to call the 24-hour number that's on the message line here. You're going to leave your name and your phone number and the PIN number of the postcard that referred you. Again, mine is 1170. And then you get started just like that. It's really simple to do. And I could not be more excited about what we've got our hands on with this postcard system. If you can mail a postcard, you can win in this program. And one big correction I want to make, my PIN number, if you're going to join with me, it's going to be 1120, not 1170, 1120. 1120. I'll put it below the video. I've been saying 1170, it's 1120, and I wanted to make sure I make that correction during this video. But this is the launch of the new magic number postcard system. Be great for 2025, and we could not be more excited. When you call that number, it will do all the selling, telling, explaining for you. It will work for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Just mail a postcard. Again, you're going to order the postcard here, right here at the Office Annex. When you click onto it, it's going to show the postcard up front. And it's going to have 2 simple steps. Call the 24-hour number, leave your message, admin to call you back, you'll get paid. And the process repeats over and over again. Well, folks, that is my time for today in this video. I am super excited about the magic money number. In the next video, I will be going through simple ads, how to place simple ads. You can place them in the work at home magazines. You can easily make $325 a day. Very simple, easy to do. Call the 24-hour recording. No selling involved. This flat out works. Here's the phone number and your PIN number. Again, my PIN number is 1120. 1120 if you're joining with me, and we'll go from here. Here's another ad. It says secret phone number, pays $325 over and over. Easy to do. No talking to people. What people are looking for is something that is super simple to do. You show them super simple and they will partner with you over and over and over again. Well, folks, I tell you what, put money to work for you. Allow systems, postcard, automation to work for you in 2025 and beyond. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Bye for now, and I will see you on the next video. Oh, by the way, I'm going to, as we're going into the next year, we're going to be talking about super simple systems. What's working now. Postcard marketing, flyer marketing is absolutely hot. And if you have not aligned yourself in multiple programs of mailing flyers and postcards, folks, you're leaving money on the table. They are actually working better than systems that have back offices. Just mailing a simple postcard, just mailing a simple flyer. I am getting more payments in those programs than anything else that I'm doing. Folks, this is exciting times ahead. Get involved with the magic money number today. Again, call the 919-425-0549. Leave ID number 1120. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video.